Hello everyone and welcome to the Dazzling Destinations channel. Today we're going to talk about all kinds of programming languages and their usage. Programming languages have become an essential part of modern world. Without them, we wouldn't have the amazing technology we have today. In this video, we will go over the most commonly used programming languages and their applications. Number 1. Java. Java is a general-purpose and object-oriented programming language that was developed by James Gosling and his team at Sun Microsystems in 1995. It is one of the most popular programming languages in use today thanks to its versatility and portability. Java is used for a variety of applications including web applications, desktop applications, mobile apps, games, and enterprise software. Some popular frameworks and technologies associated with Java include Spring, Hibernate, Struts, and Java Server Faces or JSF. Overall, Java's popularity and versatility make it an attractive language for developers who want to create robust or cross-platform applications. Number 2. Python. Python is a high-level and interpreted programming language that is known for its simplicity, readability, and ease of use. It was first released in 1991 by Guido van Rossum and has since become one of the most popular programming languages in the world. Python is used for a wide range of purposes, including web development, data analysis, artificial intelligence, scientific computing, and more. One of the key features of Python is its extensive library of models and frameworks, which makes it easy to perform complex tasks with minimal coding. Additionally, Python's syntax emphasizes code readability, which makes it easy to write and maintain large projects. Number 3. C#. C# is a modern, object-oriented programming language that was developed by Microsoft as part of the .NET framework. It was first introduced in 2000 and since then it has grown to become one of the most popular languages for developing Windows applications, web applications, games, and more. One of the strengths of C# is its type safety and strong typing, which helps to prevent many common programming errors. It also includes features like garbage collection and automatic memory management, which make it easier to write reliable and efficient code. Number 4. JavaScript. JavaScript is a high-level interpreted programming language that is used to create interactive web pages and dynamic web applications. It's a client-side scripting language, meaning that it runs on the user's web browser rather than on the server hosting the website. JavaScript can be used for a wide variety of tasks, including validating input forms, creating animations and effects, manipulating web page content, and communicating with server using Ajax. It was first created by Brandon Eich in 1995 and has since become one of the most widely used programming languages in the world. Number 5. Swift. Swift is a general-purpose, multi-paradigm programming language developed by Apple for iOS, macOS, watchOS, tvOS, and Linux. Swift was designed to be safe, fast, modern, and interactive programming language that is easy to learn and use. Some of the key features of Swift include type inference, optionals, closures, extensions, protocols, generics, and pattern matching. Swift also has powerful memory management capabilities and provides built-in support for error handling. Overall, Swift is widely used by developers to build high-performance, secure, and scalable applications across a wide range of platforms. Number 6. PHP. PHP is a popular server-side scripting language used for web development. It was originally designed to create dynamic web pages and has since evolved to support a wide range of applications, from command line scripting to desktop applications. Some notable advantages of using PHP include its ease of use, versatility, and large community support. It also integrates well with other technologies like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Number 7. Ruby. Ruby is a high-level, general-purpose programming language that was created in the mid-1990s by Yukihiro Matsumoto in Japan. It is known for its simplicity, flexibility, and expressiveness, which makes it a popular choice among developers. Ruby follows an object-oriented programming paradigm and has syntax that is easy to read and write. Some of the key features of Ruby include dynamic typing, garbage collection, and automatic memory management. It also supports multiple programming paradigms, including functional programming and imperative programming, and comes with a rich set of built-in libraries and tools. Ruby is commonly used for web development, especially for building web applications using the Ruby on Rails framework. It is also used for scripting, automation, and data analysis, among other things. Ruby has a large and active community of developers who contribute to its development and maintenance. Number 8. C++. C++ is a high-level programming language that was developed as an extension of the C programming language. It's a general-purpose, statically typed language that supports object-oriented, procedural, and generic programming paradigms. C++ is widely used for developing operating systems, device drivers, system software, video games, embedded system, and scientific computing applications. Its key features include support for low-level memory manipulation, templates for generic programming, and the ability to define classes and objects with their own methods and properties. C++ has a large community of developers and is supported by almost all major operating systems such as Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. It continues to be a popular choice for high-performance applications and systems programming. Number 9. Go. Go, also known as Golang, is a programming language developed by Google in 2007. It was designed to be a modern, efficient, and easy-to-use language that combines the performance and safety of compiled languages like C++ with the ease of use of interpreted languages like Python. Some key features of Go include fast compilation times, garbage collection for automatic memory management, a strong typing and type inference for safe programming, cross-platform support for compiling programs on different operating systems. Go is widely used for server-side web development, system programming, and network programming. Some popular tools and frameworks built in or for Go include the standard library, the Guerrilla Web Toolkit, and the Docker Container Platform. Number 10. Kotlin. Kotlin is a popular programming language among developers due to its modern and concise syntax, interoperability with Java, and support for functional programming concepts. The introduction of Kotlin has made Android app development more accessible and efficient, as it eliminates many of the common issues that arise in Java-based applications, such as null pointer exceptions. Kotlin's compatibility with Java has also made it a popular choice for server-side web application development. By leveraging Kotlin's null safety features and functional programming concepts, developers can create robust and reliable applications that are easy to scale and maintain. Furthermore, Kotlin's concise syntax can help reduce development time and improve code readability, making it a valuable tool for team working on large-scale projects. With its growing popularity and continuous support from JetBrains and developer community, Kotlin is likely to remain a popular language in the years to come. In conclusion, these are just some of the most commonly used programming languages and their applications. With so many programming languages to choose from, it can be overwhelming to decide which one to learn. We hope this video has shed some light on the most popular programming languages and their uses. Remember, each language has its own strengths and weaknesses, so choose the one that fits your specific needs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Good luck!
Somewhere in between what will and has been, it's a constant fight, oh my. But I'm not falling, even if I'm pulling a little. No, I'm not falling. But when did I get lost in